Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moy Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for October 15th, going into the 16th. Going to start off with the natural gas. Tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. I'm not going to go over the higher time frame stuff. The trade below 341.40 has brought in pressure down to 296.40. A number of other bearish calls in here. Decent trade above this line right here, which is going to come in at 298.80. -3 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warn of decent strength, decent penetration in there. There's going to be 46 ticks overnight. For a break above there decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. I'd also note that we're rejecting out of this main exhaustion level from 3.50 to 291.20. A further settlement tomorrow above 305.50 will also warrant a higher trade. And the crude oil maintain gap higher tomorrow, and the crude oil will leave a minor bullish reversal below. The failure below 75.44.50 brought in 17.76 cents of pressure. Number of other bearish calls in here. I noted that we were likely in the last stretch of the move down from 66.42, the possible exhaustion of 57.69. We held that with the 57.68 low and rallied up to 59.42 before rolling over. The maintained gap higher will leave a minor bullish reversal below. Decent trade above 60.30 will warrant a decent strength. In the RBOB, break below 197.91 has brought in 17.38 cents of pressure. A number of other bearish calls in here. I noted we may be in the last stretch of the move down from 20.0450 with possible exhaustions listed here. Decent trade back above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 185.86 or 87 plus 0.2 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warrant a decent strength. Heating oil. The trade below 259.27 has brought in pressure down to 216.70. I also warned of possible exhaustion for the move down from 243.60. The top one is at 216.66 to 59, and we're holding that currently with a 216.70 low. Further settlement above 218.75 tomorrow will warn of additional strength and a possible entry into a bullish correction. Brent to maintain gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal below. The trade below 75.85 has brought in 14.35 of pressure. A number of other bearish calls in here. I also noted we may be in the last stretch of the move down from 69.87 with possible exhaustion to 61.47, which we held to 61.50 low and rallied up to 63.04. A decent trade above this line right here at 64.30 will warrant a decent strength. A maintain gap higher on the gas oil tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal below. The trade below 714 has brought in pressure down to 634.75 with a number of other bearish calls in here. I noted we may be in the last stretch of the move down from 723 with possible exhaustion at 636.50 to 25. And we're holding that basically with the 634.75 low. Settlement tomorrow above 642 would warrant a short covering or a possible entry into a bullish correction. The cadence going into tomorrow is the RBOB is the strongest, the crude oil in the middle, and the heating oil the weakest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.